And welcome back to another edition of Inside the Thread with your favorite inside sales guy, 𝗪𝘁𝗰𝗵. I'm joined today by a very special guest and my boss and my sister. This is Vikki 𝗩𝗪𝗏, the Customer Service Manager for Tylok. Welcome, Vikki.
Thanks for having me, Scott. Appreciate it.
Of course. I didn't invite you, Seth did, but that's fine.
Well, yeah, you probably wouldn't have.
Well, welcome. Let's get through it real quickly. We're not going to overdo anything. So when did you start at Tylok? Let's start there.
I've been here about 13 and a half years.
You literally started like 2 months before me, I think.
I did, yeah.
You brought me along for the ride.
Yep, we've been together a long time.
Vikki and I have been working together for 30 years.
30 years, yeah.
Yeah. Other places, and now at Tylok, we've been here for 13 years now.
Yep.
So it's crazy. But when you first started at Tylok, you didn't come in as a customer service manager. You started as a different role.
Right.
How did that evolve to where you are now?
I started in production control, which is what I did at my previous job. And about 3 years into it, well, first let's back up and say I never did production control. I did a multitude of other things. About 3 years into my tenure here, we lost our customer service manager. And I said, I have background in that. I've done that before. I can go down and temporarily help out to get you through this transition.
Temporarily.
And that was 10 years ago. So we're still on that temporary hold, and we're going to see where it goes.
That's right.
But after 10 years, I think I'm pretty locked in.
Yeah. And you do a lot of other things too, but your main job is customer service, which you do a great job with.
Thank you.
What do you consider excellent customer service?
Well, you always want to put the customer first and foremost. You have to be respectful of their needs. You have to make sure that you're responsive, that you take the time that's necessary to answer their questions, address their needs. We want to be the top level customer service department at any of the locks that are out there. We pride ourselves on our service.
Yeah, I think a lot of the way we look at it is we treat our customers like friends.
Correct.
We like to talk to them, get their feelings, and work with them as best we can.
Right.
And that comes a lot from the top and works its way down through the customer service team.
Building those relationships is extremely important.
Yeah.
That's how you get people that want to come back and work with you.
Right. And with that, how do we work on consistency, making sure all of our customers are treated the same?
Well, we do have standard operating procedures, which we try to follow.
Sure.
And, of course, every once in a while you have to paint outside the lines because we're not, oh my gosh, we have to follow this script and never go outside the lines. But everyone here is very good at their jobs. They understand the expectations. They know what the overall company mission is, and it's all customer centric.
It really is. Now, how do we gather the customer feedback from our outside people?
We don't do formal surveys like a lot of places do. We've tried that in the past, and we found that that was not the best thing for Tylok. So what we do is we work on informal feedback. Okay. We listen to our customers when they call in. We get feedback from the field when our guys go out and do any types of trainings or visit distributors or visit end users. We take that feedback in from them. Nothing real formal, though.
Right. But that's the on the streets info is really important.
It is.
Have you ever been involved in implementing new customer service technology or systems? I know we got some new stuff happening here at Tylok.
Yeah, we have an ERP system, which I was very fortunate when I came to Tylok. I'd already been working with this ERP system since 1992, believe it or not. We are upgrading that platform. Okay. We're not changing it. It's going to be the same software. It's just getting a facelift, if you will. It's pretty old and antiquated, so they're bringing it into this century. So I've been working very hard on getting that processed and implemented. We have a lot of customization, so we have to get those reprogrammed, if you will. We're also implementing a new customer relationship management software called 𝘩𝘳𝘳𝘆.
Okay.
That is specifically customer centric.
Awesome.
It's all forward facing and making sure the data is collected so executive management can review it and see where we need to make any types of changes.
Sure. Now, with that being said, where do we see the role of customer service in the next 3 to 5 years here?
Well, AI is going to play a big part, not just in customer service, but in everything. That's where the future is headed. However, you can never replace the person.
Right.
that human-to-human interaction is so important in customer service, more so than probably any other department here.
Yeah.
So while it will be a little bit more AI-driven, you still have to have people.
Yeah. We got a great team here, I think, at our inside sales group. Speaking for myself, of course. Now, how do you go about creating a positive and collaborative culture here on the service team?
It's not really hard. Like you said, we have a great group of people. Everyone has a like mindset. And again, that mindset is customer-centric, customer-focused. So I don't have to really micromanage anybody.
Sure.
Everyone is a cohesive group. We help each other. We understand that at the end of the day, a customer's needs have to be answered. And whatever it takes to get that done, everyone pitches in and does it.
Right. Again, like I've said in many of these episodes, Tylok really is a family-owned and run business. So we're all one big family here, and we like to work together a lot. And you see it more than anybody, really, because you touch every department for the most part. Well, I want to thank you for hanging out with us today for a little bit, Vikki.
Thanks, Scott.
And we're always just a phone call away. You give us a call at Tylok, you'll find one of us who will always be on the phone to help you out.
Absolutely.
So we'll see you on the next episode of Inside the Thread next time.